Look at the skies, the sun, the trees. Listen to the sounds of nature, the chirping birds, the sea breeze, everything all around you. The universe is full of wonders. Have you ever wondered about life, universe, and everything? Have you ever stopped to watch the free-flying birds? Have you ever listened to the sound of rustling leaves? Have you ever taken some time off just to sit under a tree and watch the wonder of nature around you? If you are walking in the middle of busy streets, working in an uneasy environment, sleeping every night with traffic noises as your lullaby, take a time to stop. Take a time to get rid of your busy life. Take a time to travel. Take a time to see the beauty of the earth. Because we only live once, and there is no other time besides now. Take your time and tell us your stories about the universe.